is some good news. More healthcare workers are getting their second dose of COVID-19 vaccines this weekend.
New tonight at 5, 41 Action News reporter Jordan Betts shares one nurse's experience.
It's another step forward in the fight against the coronavirus.
This week I got the second vaccine.
Kristen Sollers was the first nurse at St. Luke's Health System to get Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. Now she's fully vaccinated.
What's so great about it is I'm feeling really hopeful still, right? You got that first vaccine, and the first vaccine was easy peasy. I just had a little bit of a sore arm.
When she got the booster shot this past week, more mild symptoms came around.
I had a much more sore arm than I had the first time. I had a mild headache. I was more tired than typical for about 24 hours or so. I took a couple of doses of ibuprofen or Tylenol and then felt a lot better.
Which doctors say can happen.
So in the trials, that second dose of vaccine, there was a little higher rate of some of those immune responses. So redness or irritation at the injection site, small percentage had fever, maybe felt achy or fatigued. And so, definitely in the studies, that second dose seemed to have a little higher incidence of that. But it's still probably less than some of our other vaccines that we've given. And so I don't want to discourage people from taking the vaccine or taking that second dose.
But it's crucial to get this dose.
They determined in the research that one shot really wasn't enough to activate your immune system enough. And so it requires a second shot. And with that second shot, it's approximately 95% effective, which is fantastic.
Sollers is back to work and feeling good. It's been a long road for nurses like her. She says while getting this vaccine is great, the battle isn't over.
So just because I have the vaccine now doesn't mean that I'm going to show up at the grocery store tomorrow without a mask, or that I'm going to host a big house party with 40 of my closest friends, because what we have to really wait on is that widespread immunity, and that's what's going to keep us all safe long term.
Jordan Betts, 41 Action News.
Missouri Governor Mike Parson provided an update this weekend on statewide vaccine totals. The governor tweeted Saturday that more than 140,000 doses of the vaccine have already been administered in the state.